I feel like I'm going crazy. Like, is it just me or is anybody else feel this way? Because I feel like I'm just going mental, like, the last couple days. Like, between getting sick and all of this other shit, like, I feel like I'm losing my fucking marbles out here. Like, yesterday was a hard day. Yesterday was a hard fucking day. I woke up, first I fucked up by staying up until like 3 a.m. and like, I'm just digging, I've been in such a just bad mood the last like 2-3 days. Fuck, it might even be a week at this point, I don't even know. It just feels like it's not ending. This bad mood of just like, I can't even put it into words. It's just that bad right now. I'm losing my mind, it feels like. I got sick, that totally put a bunch of fucking, completely fucked me over for like a week, and now, like, oh, dude, I can't even think about putting a video together. Like, I don't even know what to talk about. This is fucking insane. Like, I don't know what I'm doing. Like, I'm just crashing out, just crashing the fuck out, because, like, I feel like a fucking loser. I don't have any, like, I'm broke as fuck. I don't have any money. I'm broke. Like, I'm broke. And yeah, I know, like, boo fucking who. But, oh my god, dude. Like, it just, like, I'm trying to learn JavaScript, and I feel like I'm not learning anything, and it's not sticking, and so I lost a bunch of weight because of getting sick, so, like, that fucked me up hardcore. Like, the one thing that I was, not the one thing, but I was working really hard this year to put some weight on, and I got sick, and it's all gone after a week. In January of 2025, I was 174 pounds. I'm 158 right now. 158, dude. Like, oh, nothing's going right. Nothing's going right, it feels like. I can't come up with video ideas. Like, I'm just struggling to come up with ideas and topics to talk about. People that do this for so long, props to them, because like, holy shit, man, this is not easy. Like, coming up with long form conversations, and oh my god, like, I don't know what I'm doing. I have no idea what I'm doing. I feel like I'm just a fucking lazy piece of shit that's just scrolling all fucking day and not productive, and then when I try to be productive, I get distracted easily. It feels like I'm not doing anything right at all. It feels like I'm stuck. It feels like I don't know where to go and what steps to take next. The things that I have been working on and having progression all just seem to have gone 10 steps back now. Fuck. That's like all I can sum it up. And it's not even that deep. And then it's not even that deep at all. I'm trying to get back on track now. It's slowly coming along. I'm trying to work my way back up to like 3,000 calories a day for my food. And then I'm still trying to just, these are the days where you just feel like giving up completely. Like the days where nothing's going right, the weeks where nothing's going right, this is where you want to throw in the towel. And I know it will pass, and I'm just very, very upset right now at myself, but it will pass. And I want to, like, I just, you want to quit. Like, this is the shit that makes you just want to quit, give up, not keep pursuing the things that you're pursuing, because this shit's hard. Like, this shit's hard when you're seeing no results and it feels like anything that you're doing, or it feels like you're getting negative results, and it just makes you want to quit. It makes you want to just give up and quit. And then your camera dies because you don't have any fucking storage on your phone. Oh my god, dude. What a shit show. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. It's okay though. It's alright. I just have to keep reminding myself that one day I will look back at all of this and I'll be able to laugh about it big time. But it doesn't help in the moment when you're feeling so shitty and then all these other things just start happening, and oh my lord. But it's okay. It's all good. It's all good. Just gotta remember what I'm doing this for, why I'm doing this. I mean, I'll let you guys in on why I'm doing this. And it's not even, obviously, of course, everyone wants to be successful to make money. That's the big thing, of course. But the biggest thing, especially with these YouTube videos, is my idea with this channel is essentially when I'm older, like old, pray to God that I get there, that this is something that I'll be able to look back on, and it'll be for my whole family to watch, so that when I have kids and my kids have kids, they can see what I was doing when I was 20 years old, their age, right? And so it's like, it's just, I want this to be something that the people in my own life can look back on and see exactly where I started from. And it'll be good for them and for me, because I know where I'm at right now, and it'll be so good to look back in, 5-10 years from now and see how much things have changed, because especially days like these where I'll have known that I wanted to throw the towel in. Like, I'm not having fun. I'm not having fun right now. I feel like I'm an idiot. I feel lazy as fuck. It feels like all the things that I'm learning that I've been doing and applying myself to just aren't working or whatever. And it's just, these are the moments that allow, like, these are the character building moments. And so as much as I'm riled up and I came in really hot, it's okay. It's okay. I will say though, see, AI is not gonna be able to do this. AI is not gonna be able to crash the fuck out when things aren't going right, because it's not going to have the emotion to do so. So anyone who's worried about AI, taking over the content creator space, I don't think you have to be too worried because AI still can't be as authentic as me having an absolute crash out by myself in my bedroom. So don't worry about that because AI is not going to be able to replicate that for a while now. And that is kind of one of the things that I've been thinking about more or less is that there's so much AI garbage being put out right now online. And one of the cool things about doing content like this and people who are actually, standing in front of the camera and giving you a piece of their lives is that it's authentic and it's real and it's not something that just anyone can do because nobody's going to be as good at being me as myself. AI can't replicate that, which is cool because it gives people who are still going to be doing this in the future and now and whatever it gives you this lane of authenticity that AI can't replace. And so just like coding and just like everyone freaking out that AI is going to take over all the creative jobs, it's just not. It's just not. Like, AI can't just crash out like I just did. You'd have to prompt it that way. Like, that humanness to the videos that only we can provide is something that AI can't replicate. And I'm not sure if it ever will be able to because human emotion is so complex and our brains are so complex and just the things that we feel, the computer never will. And we can express it. Sorta, kinda. Anyways, now that I've literally crashed the fuck out, I will show you guys what I worked on today because as much as I feel like an idiot, I still have to try and push myself to not feel like an idiot. So, yeah, let me show you guys this. So, since I haven't coded in like a week because I was sick, I just wanted to make a little quick project, so I decided that I would just build a calculator today. So, this is all the HTML structure. I built all of this by myself, hand-coded. And I did all these styles like that, nothing super crazy. But then that gives us this guy. So right now it is super, super not functional at all. Anyway, so the plan is to basically make it fully functional using JavaScript. And so I'm going to be doing all the JavaScript by myself completely from scratch so that I can learn obviously some more and just get a better understanding of how to use JavaScript within inside this calculator application. So that's the plan for the next couple of days is just do all the JavaScript. It shouldn't take a couple of days. It should only take a couple sessions, really, realistically. So that's the plan. It's super not functional right now. And then I'm going to learn and implement all the JavaScript myself so that it's a function calculator and then go from there. So yeah, that is that's been the day so far. Apologies for absolutely just crashing out earlier, but sometimes you just gotta get it off your chest. So that's gonna be it for today. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.